Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this chunky silver glitter pink purplish cut crease. It was supposed to be all pink, but yeah, I just had to add a little bit more of color in there. So we're going to be working with the James Charles palette. You already know this is my total favorite palette, besides the Jeffree Star palette. Oh, I shouldn't have done the Jeffree Star palette, but I'm using that one a lot. So yeah, we're gonna be working with the James Charles palette today. So I did go in with the Morphe primer, and I do see a little bit of difference when I use the Morphe primer, and I already know I love my concealer, so we had to use primer today. So we're going to be starting off with that light pink color. It does not seem like much, but trust me, it makes a little bit of difference. So yeah. So we're going to be taking that as our brow bone highlight, and then we're going to be going in with the dark Barbie pink, neon pink. I love that neon pink. I always wanted to try that color, and this is the first time I work with it. So I was pretty excited for this look. This look is the one that I'm doing for my birthday party. For again my Dallas trip, so I decided to do this look. I wanted something really out there, really pink, really sparkly. I know I love my glitter, so why not do this look? Now I am going in back and forth with the brushes. Y'all gonna be seeing me sometimes. If I don't show you that I'm applying any product, that means that there's no product extra being used. It's whatever's left on the product, it's what I'm using. So you're gonna be seeing me going back and forth with the brushes because it's a lot of blending, even though we're not using much colors, but it's a lot of blending. Now going in with the light purpley color, I'm gonna be popping that into the crease.
I breathe you in, I take a hit that I breathe you in.
And like I said, I want the pink to pop out more than any other color besides the glitter. So pink is my main color, so you can do it however you want. Now taking a tiny bit, whatever you see me patting on the screen, that's how much product I use. So I'm not using that much dark purple because his colors are so pigmented. So I just took a little bit of dark purple just to intensify that first purple. Then just going back in with my brush with no product and just start blending out that purple because I felt like it was not blending well into the pink. So purples are pretty hard to blend out, so that's why you just see me going back and forth. Going in with my Holy Grail concealer, my Makeup Revolution concealer in C1. This is the only one I use for my cut creases. If you're new here, this is the only one that I used. It is amazing. And you already know my left eye, it's harder to work with since it's more hooded than my right eye. My right eye, I already know that I can do it like really easy, and my left eye is just like a pain in the butt. So yeah. Now going in with the Soph by Makeup Revolution. This is the only palette that I love for Makeup Revolution so far. I'm going to be taking that silver shade as my base for the chunky glitter. Now the chunky glitter I made it myself because I can't find, if y'all know any good website that sells cosmetic chunky glitter, let me know in the comments below, because I've been looking through IG and I find a lot, but once I go to their page it says use as your own risk. I think that's what it said. On your, I don't know, but that's what it said. That, you know, trying to say that it's I don't know if it's, they don't say if it's cosmetic glitter or anything like that, but the way that it looks like craft glitter. So, you know, I don't know, I'm scared and I don't even know. But anyways, let me know in the comments below if y'all know any chunky glitter good websites, because mostly everyone that I've seen, it says that, so I'm scared. Oh, on the chunky glitter also, you have to use it really light. Don't use that much. The more that you use, it looks more bad and it feels stiff, and you know, less is more. Now I'll be using the Aliexpress, I think they're D22 lashes. I don't like those lashes. They just look like freaking spider legs. So those are the only dramatic lashes I had on hand. So no, I do not like them. Okay guys, I did forget to apply mascara, so that was my bad. It was 12 o'clock at night when I was doing this, so pretty much forgot, but this is the whole look. I hope y'all enjoyed, and yeah, that's pretty much it.